Hi, good morning. Salutations, greetings. We are here at Southway College of Technology to conduct our outreach program. So, mao ni ato mga ipanghatag sa ilaha to celebrate the annual celebration of our ABM REM Days 2026. And today, on the way tayo sa Dasagan National High School. So, see you at Dasagan National High School for our outreach program.
Good morning everyone! We are here at Dasagan National High School as we will be doing an outreach program. This activity is brought to you by the Accounting, Business Management and Real Estate Management of Socotec as part of their Department Day celebration. At Socotec, we care about our community and we love sharing what we can. So if you want to be part of the community where generosity is the culture, come and join us now!
Hello, good morning, good day, Southway College of Technology. We are from Dasagan National High School. Daghang salamat kayo sa pag-outreach niyo sa MOA. Then, ang inyong ipanghatag is dako kayo nga katabangan or dako kayo siya nga tabang sa mga sa learning sa mga kapatanunan o ginaot nga panalanginan mo sa Ginoo sa inyong gibuhat. Then, tagahan pa mong blessings si Lord. Daghang salamat kayo.